Everybody, Jake from Westo Angling here, and we're back for my second video. I'm so excited to be finally recording again. I haven't been able to get out on the water that much, and school's just kind of taken over. So we're back, we're ice fishing again. Sadly, there's a ton of snow, so we might have to shovel some of that off. But I know the audio was super bad on the last video, and I have a fix for that. I got a microphone for my phone. I'll have to go pick my dongle from my buddy though before we head out to the lake to get that. GoPro, sadly, do not have a mic for that yet. So just bear with me. I'll be getting that stuff soon. I also have good news. I decided to make shirts if you guys want to buy any of this stuff. Just like a white tee. We got like a tank top, black tank top. There's all sorts of gear on the site, many different options. So I will link that down in the description for you, and if you could go check that out, that'd be awesome. So ice fishing, we're going after whatever. This lake has catfish, bluegill, crappie, black crappie actually, and largemouth bass. So, if we could get in some bass, I know there's some big bluegill in here, and it's just kind of whatever we hook into. I fished at this lake quite a bit in the spring and summer, and I know we can get on a bite. So, stay tuned. Gents, I got that mic in, so hopefully it sounds better, and buddies are almost here, so we're about to get on that ice and get fishing. See you guys there. What's going on? You guys ready to catch some fish? Yeah, I saw you guys drive past. I was like, why are you going back around?
It must have just changed that recently, or at least within the last few years.
What?
People that slept parked on the dam.
Oh, yeah. What's up?
It's streamer life, huh?
Yeah, you like the setup, man?
It is fancy.
It is fancy. It's like 60
Is it
bucks.
just your phone?
Yeah. Connected to the mic and tripod. Last night? Yeah. That's funny. Heck yeah.
Well, it's already starting to fill up. It ain't very thick. It's that ice again, like it was on the lake yesterday. I cannot get through it. Damn. Yeah, I can't fucking get through it. It's just thick, dude. This shit's like fucking over 13, 14 inches, I guarantee it. That is thick, dude.
Yeah,
Nice
it is.
clean water though. Oh, bud. So the gain is your frequency, and this here is your times.
So times 2. Is that what you usually use?
Usually. So it says right here about 11 to 12 feet. See it?
Yeah.
So there's 10 foot there, and you got 15 over there, so you're about 11.
Oh yeah.
He was all the way at the bottom.
Was he really?
Yeah.
Dang. All right. It's not a bad size one. Heck
I
yeah.
love the colors on them, dude. Look how like purple and shit they are.
Oh
They look
yeah.
pretty pretty.
That's really pretty. Nice one. No skunk today. On. Oh, he's a fighter. Dude! Holy! I just saved. I grabbed that out of the hole. What? Dude! Hold! I just saved. What? Dang. That's a nice one. I lost it and it was stuck in the hole. Oh. What's up? Saving a fish? Snag? Dang. Dude, that's a nice one. Let's get a release on. Oh, look at that little guy. Come on. Back you go. Another one. Might be the same fish. It looks like it. Yeah, these are nothing compared to the brutes that are in here. Now the bluegill. Back you go. Another fish. Look at the colors on that. Right on the top lip. They're munching right now. Found something. I know. Yeah. Dude! What the hell? Oh my God. That's about the average you'd catch.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
Yeah. Bass number 2. I get so excited when I see the largemouth. Yep. Holy! That's a huge one. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to eat you so bad. Oh. It's a big one.
I just had my rod down there and caught a fish. What do you say? That's about the average size we've been catching?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Been in the water for what, 10-20 minutes without you even checking.
Dude. All right, what's going on, guys? I'm back home and we had a good day of fishing. You know, I caught 2 largemouth, I caught 5 bluegill, and they're all pretty decent size. You know, too bad it was nothing we can eat. They treat the lake with chemicals, so couldn't really do anything about that. You know, they all look so tasty. But also check out this merch. You know, Westo Angling baseball tee. Check the link down in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching this long. I appreciate it. I know it was a longer video this time, and I hope to get out again and record some more footage for you guys. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys later.